Hello guys, so this is my grant proposal for the Young Adults Financial Literacy Program, and I'm just going to be telling you guys why I do need the funding and why it's going to be very important that I get that funding to go ahead and launch this program so that I can change the lives of young adults in Jacksonville, Florida. Alright, so just an introduction about the Financial Literacy Program. It was founded in 2022. Our mission is to address underpreparedness of young adults regarding financial well-being. So a lot of young adults run into pitfalls, especially in transitioning from high school into college. A lot of the things that they don't know about does hurt them, especially in the long run. This 16-week program is going to be launched in Jacksonville, Florida. The content delivery is going to be traditional and online. So some of our participants who need, to engage with the content as far as distance, they will be able to do so online, and in the traditional aspect we'll have as well. This program will also include 3 financial literacy seminars, and in those financial literacy seminars, they're going to learn a lot as far as how to budget, as far as how to establish credit, and also to avoid that early debt that will follow them sometimes for the rest of their lives. So the problem we have here, early adulthood debt. So with this debt, so the average debt for 18-year-olds in Jacksonville, Florida is $22,000. So the primary contributors are credit card and student loan, both credit card and student loan debt. So once again, just having those individuals who are transitioning from high school into college and not knowing a lot about financial literacy, not knowing a lot about finances, period. They're being bombarded with credit card offers. They're being bombarded with high ticket loans, and these loans will be even more than their first car. And they're not understanding fully how to really approach those things, and it's leaving them with a lifelong burden in a lot of situations. Credit establishment, 84% of adults age 18 and 19 have not established credit history. So that's something that we're also going to address within this program, just establishing credit history early. The key benefits for this program, just number one, to gain financial literacy. I know personally speaking, it helped me out a lot when I understood finances, when I understood the economy. I was able to change my entire life. Finances is something that every individual needs. It doesn't have a color on it. It doesn't have a race on it. It's just something that impacts every individual. So when it comes to financial literacy, you want to be prepared for what life is going to bring in that particular arena. So the next benefit is to understand and establish credit. So like I said in the previous slide, we want to establish credit early. The next benefit is to understand the benefit of credit. A lot of people don't know the benefit of credit and what it can do. When we talk about interest rates and we talk about offers, for big ticket items, certain companies or loan agencies are going to offer the individuals a certain interest rate or a certain price for a particular item, or a certain amount of loan for a particular item. They're going to offer it based off of their credit standing, and of course debt to income ratio as well. So and that leads me to the next key benefit, which is avoidable debt. So that's another benefit within this program, is we're going to teach the young people how to avoid debt, and also understanding the difference between positive debt and negative debt. And then finally, budgeting. So that's another way that a person could lead themselves into early debt accumulation. All right, the purpose statement is to equip young adults with the skills to manage money and debt effectively. Right. the two overarching goals within this program is to increase the financial literacy of young adults and to improve financial confidence and reduce financial stress and anxiety in young adults. All right, some of the activities, and these are just the main activities. This is not all the activities here, but the budgeting simulator. Within the budgeting simulator, it's a component of the financial literacy program in which the student is going to be using a simulator and solving or budgeting within a certain financial portfolio of, of individuals that they're given, and they'll budget those financial portfolios or financial profiles. Financial literacy seminars. We're going to have two major seminars, which one is types of credit, and the participants will gain an understanding of the types of credit, and then also student loan counseling. All right, and those are going to be the two biggest seminars that we'll do. The project timetable. So coming into the development of the project, that's going to start in May. It's going to end in December. So a lot of things that we'll be doing as far as the development of the project is, finding curriculum. So as of right now, we have a curriculum that we're going to purchase that's going to be $66 per student. Beginning training of the staff, advertising for the program, hiring of the staff, deploying a curriculum research team. All of those things will be done within the program development portion of the project. So phase 2 is the program is going to actually launch in January. So it's going to be a 16-week program. And then finally the evaluation, the closeout. The evaluation is going to take place during and after the actual program. So, and I'll talk more about the evaluation on this slide. So it's going to be a 2-tier evaluation, process evaluation, and a product evaluation. So we're going to have 3 specific checkpoints within the evaluation. It's going to be pre-program, during the program, and then post-program. So for the evaluations, to address goal number 1, we're going to have a pre and post evaluation, a pre and post evaluation, a pre and post test to kind of see where exactly the students are as far as financial literacy in general. So they're going to take a pre-program test coming in or assessment, and then they'll take a post assessment, and we'll see exactly what they've accumulated, the knowledge that they've gained from the actual program. And then to address goal number 2, the participants will take a pre and post survey. And the survey is going to be administered to the enrollees. It's going to be on a Likert scale. And the Likert scale, strongly agree, neutral, disagree, and strongly disagree. So we want to find out exactly what they feel about the program. So some of the evaluation will be subjective in nature, or it won't be quantitative, it'll be qualitative. So that will do to address goal number 2. So with the budgeting, as you can see here, for personnel, we have $16,000 set aside for just personnel. The program director during the actual program lunch will be receiving $1,000 stipend per month, which will be over the span of 4 months. The seminar expenses, it's roughly $2,000 per seminar. So the 2 seminars is going to be $4,000. The curriculum is $66 per student with a 40 student maximum. So it's going to come out to $2,600 and $2,640. The ancillary items, supplies for the program, tech, facility, instructional items, and this includes promotion as well. It's going to be $5,000. So roughly $30,000 is our ask, $29,640 to be exact. And I just want to give a special thanks for the opportunity to come before you guys, and just the opportunity to empower young adults with your grant. And that's exactly what we'll do with this program. Thank you.